Hey guys, this is Tim with HomeCraft, and I'm excited. We are in Berkley at 4252 Ellwood. This is a cool craftsman style home. Everything's new inside, you're gonna love it. It's got dual zone heating, you've got the Berkley school system, fenced yard. Enjoy this tour. I hope you're as excited about this home as we are. Get a chance, give us a call, 734-329-0123. One of our team members will get you inside. This home has a ton of updates, and we hope you love it as much as we do. Thanks for checking this one out.